this instructional video, we will examine the wireless microphone systems that can be loaned out from LSA Technology Services. We will review the proper way to set up this device and will recommend situations where this microphone should be used. This piece of equipment is most commonly used to mic individuals for a variety of different video settings or projects, like one-on-one interviews, visual audio essays, or short films.
Great, now let's begin. First, let's review what items come with the WMS kit. The receiver, the transmitter, the microphone with a windscreen and clip, an XLR to stereo mini cable, a stereo mini to stereo mini cable, spare batteries, shoe mount, an instructional component list card, and the kit bag. To set up the wireless mic kit, first, mic up the Talent and connect the microphone to the transmitter.
Pro tip: to discreetly hide the mic's wire, it is possible to run it under the Talent's shirt. Have them run it under if they are comfortable doing so. Once given permission, ask to clip the mic close to the Talent's neck or collarbone area. It should be about 3 to 4 inches away from the mouth. Have the Talent tuck the transmitter in their pocket or simply out of frame.
Second, connect the receiver into your camera or audio recording device. Depending on your equipment, you may need to use the XLR to stereo mini cable or the stereo mini to stereo mini for this.
Let's review. Your setup should look like this. 1. Connect the microphone to the transmitter. 2. The transmitter sends a signal to the receiver. 3. Connect the receiver to the recording device. 4. Hit record on the recording device to capture your audio. You should be good to go.
Now that the equipment is properly connected, let's turn it on.
Pro tip: if either transmitter or receiver is not turning on, change the batteries with the spare AA's provided in the kit bag.
Once on, test your equipment. When speaking, the audio meter should peak on the screen. If not, double-check the device's channels. They should be on the same frequency. Do not adjust these if they are the same, or you will lose the signal between them.
We strongly recommend you connect headphones to your recording device to monitor your audio. Don't solely rely on the audio meters to capture your sound. Use your ears as well. Sound monitoring is imperative to quality audio.
Before recording, be sure to adjust your volume if needed. We recommend you use the recording device to boost or cut the volume. Note, not all cameras have headphone jacks, so you may need additional equipment to use headphones.
Pro tip: when sound checking, have a casual conversation with your Talent to ensure that they are using their normal speaking voice. If you still experience issues with the volume being too loud or soft, feel free to adjust the mic sensitivity on the receiver. Simply cycle through the menu and adjust the gain. Be sure to continue the sound check during this process.
After watching this tutorial, you should check in with the Senior Media Assistant, SMA, or Team Lead at the loan desk to finalize the orientation. They will have you review a few key points from this video and will gather your information to add you to the authorization list.
You will be allowed to check out this equipment for the duration of your time at U of M. If you have any additional questions about our loan policies or about making a reservation, please contact us.